Transsion Holdings seem to be having a pretty busy year. While its entry-level brand, itel recently moved up to the budget smartphone segment, Tecno has partnered with the IPL team XI Punjab as the official smartphone partner. And to celebrate that, it's launching a new phone, the Camon XI. Let's have a closer look. Coming up next on TechPP.com. Hey guys, this is Shubham from TechPP and today we are unboxing this mystery box by Tecno. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified as soon as we post a new video. So this is the Camon XI. It comes with a rather small 5.45-inch HD plus screen with a tall 18:9 aspect ratio, which makes it even more handy to hold. It runs on a MediaTek quad-core processor, only 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal storage and 3050 mAh battery. There's even a dedicated SD slot, which is always an appealing feature, especially in this price range. Out of the box, you get the latest Android 8.1, unlike the Camon I, which still comes with Android Nougat. Despite being priced at only Rs 7499, the phone has a fingerprint sensor as well as the face unlock feature. Another key highlight is that the board's front 8MP and rear 13MP camera sensors have an aperture of f2.0 and LED flashes. No dual cameras on the back sadly. This setup is similar to its more expensive brother, the Camon I. The phone is compatible with 2 SIM cards and will be available in 2 color options, black and gold. Except for the screen size and the latest Android version, the Camon XI is mostly the same phone as the Camon I Air but costs Rs 500 less. It seems like the only reason for its existence is to announce the IPL partnership. That's it for this video guys, but before we leave, would you like us to give away this Kings 11 jersey and a cap? If so, let us know in the comment section down below. Until the next time, may the tech be with you.